Kumusta sa tanan nga nagatanaw din ha? Today, we're going to eat. Nakauban na mo ang akong in-laws. It's a Easter Sunday today. So, we're gonna meet them sa Cracker Barrel. That's kinda like a country restaurant. So that's what they really want to eat. So we are on our way. It's our Sunday, Easter Sunday. We just got out from our church. It was kinda like a big crowd right there. We have almost like, it's probably around 900 people in the church today. So thank God for all the people showing up today to celebrate the God resurrection. And now with me, my family. This is Timmy, my husband. He's our driver right now.
Chauffeur.
He's our driver. My son, Joshua, say hi. Joshua, say hi.
He's got things growing out of his ear.
Ayan. Mulawon kay na akong anak din na dili magpa-video. So, right now akong ipakita sa inyo ang surroundings here. There is Indiana, USA. Nindot gihapon. Today we have a good day. It's sunny. Maayo na lang kayo kaya it's sunny today. Yesterday it was like rainy, cold. Cold. Today is really good. It's gonna be around 70 degrees. So it will be good today. So we're going to Cracker Barrel in Plainfield, and I'm gonna show you all the surroundings while we are on our way going there. Okay. So here he comes. There we come. So our surroundings right there. I wish I can twist in the other side. There we go. So guys, ayaw kalimot sa subscribe sa akong channel. Just touch the word subscribe so you can follow me and you can watch me when I upload some videos. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you later, and I'll make some videos more later on. So I'm gonna stop right now, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and God bless. Bye bye.